I'm not gonna lie. Boom, he died. In this video, I thought it'd be fun to make tier lists and have one of my friends help me do it. I'm not gonna lie, it was fun.
You haven't played Left 4 Dead?
No, and I want it. I actually, I want it. I really do. But I don't want to spend money on a game that I'm probably not gonna play, like Zelda.
Yeah, Zelda.
Anyways, if you watch this whole video, you'll get a free cookie. And if you did watch this whole video, there's a chance that I won't come to your house and eat all of your cookies. So do us all a favor and watch the video. If you're new, click subscribe, it's free and you can unsub whenever you want. Now, let's watch this monstrosity of a video. Wait, what was the tier list I was making? The hell was that? Wait, what was the tier list I was making?
I think you were...
Tier list on every game I played, right?
Yeah.
Tier list.
You played, not me. You.
I've played. Come on. Oh, there it is. I was about to start like S tier. Trash. Okay. Okay, so the ones that I haven't played are just automatically going into the trash. So FNAF characters. Would I date the Genshin Impact character? Yo, we gotta do this one.
Which one?
Would I date the Genshin Impact character? Okay, almost done. Well, this one's really easy, dude. I don't know why I did this one. This one's way too easy. Alright, tier list done. Let's save this real quick. Download image. Download image. Yeah, so about that image. May or may not have it on my PC still.
Bro, if you get one, like, I will be very surprised.
Next tier list. You have a suggestion?
I do.
That's cool.
Move it.
What?
Movies.
Move. Every game that I've played. I pop it up and it says tier list on every game I've ever played.
Every single YouTube song. It's every day, bro.
Every single YouTube song. YouTube, you can kill. Minecraft Manhunt, but tier list. Bro, what is this fiction?
How about,
Wait,
how about...
see this one? Every official Kanye West single. Anyway, you see it?
Yes, I see it. And I'm scared.
Music I listen to. Tier list maker. Viva la vida? That goes in F tier, probably because I don't know where to put it. You know what? I don't want to rank any of this seriously. I wonder how many songs there are. Maybe I should look. Holy crap, that's a lot of songs. Is this Super Idol?
Bro, me after you saying Super Idol, man. Bro, when you said that, bro, I don't know, man. I got mad about that. I'm like,
Montero. Oh no, that's going in S, bro. That's going in SS. That's going in SS.
wait, can you see my screen? Wait, can you see my screen? What are you laughing about?
Dog, I went on the Discord and I just see you like staring the camera down.
He's like, where do you work for?
Where do you work?
Bro, it looks like a burnt chicken nugget.
Like a burnt chicken industry baby. Okay, that's another. I think that's the right. You know what? Screw this. We're not doing this. I said we're not doing.
Yes,
this.
we are. We're gonna do it forever.
All right, we're gonna listen. We're gonna list Pokemon.
Huh? We're gonna listen to Pokemon.
You see this one,
Oh, that's a lot of Pokemon. Oh, Jesus.
That's a lot of Pokemon.
All of them F tier except for Charmander.
Except for Ditto. Ditto is automatically S tier because he could be any of these.
Wait, I said, what kind of Pokemon do you think that you resemble with? Like, that you think, like, you're, like, with, like, who do you, like, your own personality?
This one,
Cubone!
This one, because my life's a mess. Just like this thing.
Mine is Cubone, because Cubone's lonely. And I'm lonely, too.
Dude, this is you! I found you! Dude, that's you! I'm sorry. Why does this guy look like me? This guy looks like me. Alright, well, we're done. I forgot about it! Booby-eyed Pokemon? Yeah, what the f*** if I knew it? Mega Pokemon! Pokemon Go! The fuck is this? What is this thing?
Everything is when you're part of the dream.
Do you think it was something?
What
I just...
is this thing? Look at... Bro, what is this? What am I looking at? Can I, like, take all of them? I wish I could.
Yes.
Okay, so, this one, actually, we're just gonna make, let's just make another tier real quick. Just, edit. Okay. Edit. Alright, cool. Alright, we're done with that tier. On to D tier. And that's it. Actually, this guy kind of looks ugly. Well, I don't know, but he kind of looks cool though. No, but he's kind of no.
He's a man.
No, Batman! No, Batman!
Now, I'm not gonna deny it. This one is so. What the fuck was that like? This one is so much better than the other one, but they're both